cat. Come on, you got this. Just say your first words. Come on. Something's wrong with me. If we never got to the Spanish songs, bro, I want to be like this probably or something. I don't know, but
Okay. Next semester you gotta pick Spanish class, okay?
yeah. Come on.
Okay. Capital D,
Capital D,
lowercase t,
T,
uppercase
E, T, M,
M.
F.
Yeah. Why?
Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny.
Shut up. All
You
right.
told me to shut up?
Yeah.
You told me to shut up?
Yeah. Why'd you just look away so quick?
Ah, yo, why does Fortnite have Squid Game, bruh?
What? Okay, ready? 3.
Wait, no.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Ready?
means you'll hear it in the song, but
DT Motherfreaker. Mother Fudger.
no,
Come on.
he barely even cusses. Come on.
Oh.
3, 2, 1, play.
Oh, it's this song.
Yeah.
I know this song. I know the lyrics.
Totally. Try and sing it, huh? If you know Spanish and if you know the song.
Juan. Suspiro. Kilo. Kilo.
I paused my music and I sound like a retard.
Miro, nunca cresci,